Hi, my name is Chris and I'm from All Security Company, and today I'm going to show you how to replace batteries in your Honeywell door window transmitter with magnet. All you're going to need is a mini flathead screwdriver. And what you're going to do is you'll see a little arrow that points to the little clip here that you have to push in and pop this cover open with. Just like that. Once it pops open, it's the easy part. You got the battery. Pull the battery out. It's a 3-volt lithium. If you look, you'll see the positive and negative. Make sure you put the battery in correctly. Push it in all the way till you hear a little snap. Replace the cover, starting at the 2 bottom clips, and then pushing up, and it clips right in. And you now have replaced your battery in your Honeywell door sensor.